Today we are going to discuss the use of unit vectors. We learned what is the unit vector. So today the task is the use of unit vectors, how to solve problems. How to solve problems. This is very important for any exam, especially in competitive exam like JEE or NEET or any other exam involve physics. So if we have to solve some problem, we need a problem. Let's have a problem. Consider a particle moves from a point. I am giving you the coordinates 1, 1, 1 to point B, which has coordinates also 3 to 5, and then to our final destination C, which have some coordinates C 0, 5 and 7. Okay. What we have to do, what we have to find is vector AB, vector BA and vector AC. We have to find them. So we are given some points only. You can see that. Then what we'll do with this? Then let's start. But we have to visualize the problem actually. So let's do. So we need a coordinate. You know coordinate system. If you don't, I will do it later. Just comment. This is my origin, and this is the x and y and z, and the unit vectors are I cap, j cap, and k cap. So at first we'll point out where is A. Where is the point A? Let it be 1 1 1. That means somewhere in it's 1, it is 1, and it is 1, then it is somewhere here. Just approximation. 1 1 1. Just a schematic diagram only. So you need not to be with the scale. So next point is point B, which is 3 to 5. 3 to 5. Okay, I'm just writing 3 to 5. Next point is 0 5 7. 0 means here. That means it will be somewhere 0. That means x is 0. So here y and z. We can write it here 0, 5 and 7. The problem is we have to find some vectors, that is point A to B, first A to B. Then we have to find another vector, that is B to C. Oh, I have not mentioned the name, C, and this vector. And finally, what we need, we have to find the final vector, which is AC. That means this, and the direction A to C. The naming gives you what you want to calculate. A, B, that means A to B. B, A, that is B to A. Clear? A to B, that is AB. B to C, that is, oh sorry, this is B. I have misspelled. Because why I did, I'm changing it. It is B to C, that means BC. And then AC. The direction of arrow, very important. because it tells you from where to where you are going. So let's start to solve the problem without any vector or vector sign, etc. I am not using them because the points are itself enough. Let's have. So we have point A, which is 1, 1, 1, and then point B, which is 3, 2, 5. If you have to calculate A, B, this is final, this is initial, this is from where, this is to where. So vector AB is final minus initial, which is equal to final is 3 to 5 minus initial is 1, 1, 1. So you can calculate it easily. Just be careful, you can only subtract x to x, y to y, and z to z. So 3 minus 1, that is 2. Next 1, next 4, 2, 1, 4. If you want to write down it in the ijk form, then 2 I cap. Why I cap? Because it is x. This corresponds I cap, this corresponds j cap, this corresponds to k cap. So plus j cap plus 4k cap. You got it. In the same manner, I have given another point is C. C is, what is C? C is 057. 057. So the vector, I think it is not too tough to get. In the same manner, you can do it. What do you have from find? That is not AC. It is BC. What is BC? What is BC? Same method, final minus initial. I am not writing it in rigorous way, but just doing mathematics. Do it is final. It is not final. C is final. Then go to the final point. What is the final point? 057. 057 minus, next point is 3 to 5. 3 to 5. So you can calculate easily. 0 minus 3 minus 3. 5 minus 2, it is 3. 7 minus 5, it is 2. In vectorical notation, in ijk notation, the same way that 3 I cap plus 3 j cap plus 2 k cap. You got two vectors. And now the final and third vector. This is AC. In this case, C is the final point and A is the initial point. So what is the final point? 057. 57 minus. What is the initial point? It is 111. 111. Now let's do it. I think you can. 0 minus 1 is minus 1. 5 minus 1 is 4. And 7 minus 1 it is 8. Sorry, I mean 6. It is not 8. I added it. 6. So in term of ijk minus I cap plus 4j cap plus 6k cap. Good. So if in your exam it is there is some point it is given, then you can find any vector with the help of only using the coordinate points. You don't have to write down it as ijk form always. You don't have to. You can write it like this. You can solve it like this. This is also a notation of vector using this coordinate. What does it mean? You got it. But there is something different. What I am going to tell you. The use of the vector. A very important of unit vector. Just imagine, and I'm going to draw coordinate again. Now this is point A, uh, this is point B, and let this is point C. So we got AB and then BC and then AC. We have three vectors, I guess, and the value of the vectors are known to us. Is that it? If it is, so if someone says that you are going from A to B, then C, what will be the shifting? What will be the shifting? The shift from where to where you are going. So you can see that it is AB plus BC. I guess so. It is AB plus BC. Actually, I know I'm not guessing it. It is obvious. AB plus BC. I know AB. AB is in your book. You can see it is 2, 1, 4 plus. And what is BC? BC you have calculated also minus 3 and 3 and 2. So this addition, the same way, addition will give you minus 1, 4 and 6. It's okay. The important matter is this is equals to nothing but vector AC. Isn't it? This is nothing but vector AC. So AB plus BC equals to AC. This is the famous triangle law of addition. Triangle law of addition. Okay, if it is triangle law of addition, can you do for other points? Let's try it. Okay, so we need another coordinate. These are coordinates, and we have multiple points. A, then B, then C, D, and let B is the final point E. So you are going from A to B, then B to C, and then C to D, and this. And I'm giving you arrows, 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 and arrows. So what will be the shifting? You can add AB plus BC plus CD plus D. The result is this always. The result is initial and final, final minus initial. Always. If you add them, it doesn't matter. So this is a complex structure, though the result is similar. A very known thing to us that we have to care about the initial and the final point, nothing else. So we got it. We got the vector addition law, and one more thing we got: the shifting depends only on the point A and point E, not the intermediate points. So this shifting, what I told before, shifting, this shifting is called displacement. Displacement. Important thing that this is a displacement. What is displacement then? Displacement, if we want to tell it in a different language, displacement is a straight line joining initial to final position. So displacement, I'm writing down, uh, it is a straight line joining initial and final points. Final point, only point. So if we say A to B, this is the this vector is the displacement from A to B. You can go from here to here in that way, any path, but the displacement will be this. You can go from here to like this to this point. Its displacement is A because it must be straight line. It must be a straight line as I defined straight line. Why this happens? If necessary, I will discuss you later. But now you have some homework to do. Homework HW. What are those? Calculate the displacement. Displacement. Number A from 0, 0, 0 to 3 to 5. Number B, the reverse order 3 to 5 to 0, 0 and 0. C, -7, -3, -8 to another point 437. And D says 1, 0, 1 to 0, 1, 0. I forgot to. And one more thing, try to sketch. Try to sketch the vectors. This is your homework. So today it is sufficient. I think so. Let's see you next time.